Hey guys, welcome to K-Hub, and in today's video we are going to see how to set class path to Java program. So I have a Java program file called Hello. You can see the file name is Hello and it's a Java file. That's why we have .java, and inside that I have created a class called Hello, and I have given a print statement to print hello. So this is a very basic program that we use when we start learning Java. So now we'll try to run this program in the command prompt. So you have to open command prompt. So I will edit the font size because then you can see it clearly. Okay, so my hello file is saved inside the folder inside the E drive. You can see that. So here we need to open the C drive, and then inside C drive, inside E drive, inside the folder AA, we have this file. So then I have to again open the folder AA. Okay, now you can see we are inside the E drive and AA folder. So now let's give the command to compile the file. So javac is Java compiler, and this is our file name hello.java. So you can see that javac is not recognized as an internal or external command. So then it means that still our class path is not set. So let's see how we are going to fix this issue. So go to this file explorer, and here you can see this PC. Right click on that and go to properties. Then you have to go to advanced system settings here, and in advanced system settings you have to go to the environment variable, because now we are going to set our path environment variables. So we are going to set the system variable. So there is two variables we have to set. One is path and the other one is class path. So path is already defined there, but we need to add our bin path inside that. So select that and click on edit, and you have to go. So before going to new, we have to copy the path of our JDK file. So to browse our JDK, go to this PC, and again go to your C folder, and inside your C folder go to program files. You can find Java. So I have installed Java JDK 14.01, but you might have some other versions too, so it doesn't matter. So just go in, click on this JDK, and you can see bin, click on that, and now we have to copy this path. So click here and you have to copy the path here, and go to the environment variable settings, and now we are inside this path, add new, paste the copied path here, and click on OK. Now we have set our path. Likewise, we have to set the class path too. So class path variable is not defined, so let's create a new variable called class path and copy the bin path again and paste the same path inside the class path. And now you can click on OK, OK and OK. So now let's open our command prompt and see whether our Java file is getting compiled. So go to command prompt and now we are inside C drive. So my Java file is inside E drive. So I'm navigating into E drive, and inside E drive my file is inside the folder AA. So I am opening the folder and now you can see we are inside the folder. So now let's give our compilation command javac space and the file name. So this is our file name hello.java. Enter. So now you can see our file has been compiled without any errors, and you can see that inside our folder the class file has been created. So now we'll try to run this program. So we'll give the command java space -cp space dot space and our class name. Enter. Okay, now we have got our output by compiling and running the hello.java file here. So it means we have successfully set our class path. So this is all in today's video, and thank you for watching this. So if you like our video, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get more updates, and please like, comment and share it with your friends. Thank you.